Hi. Today, we will see the T-VWAP indicator in the TradingView Pine Script. T-VWAP means 3 VWAPs. Let's understand the code. Here's an indicator function called T-VWAP indicator. The indicator contains 3 VWAP lines. One line is of the high source. The second line is of the close source. The third line is of low source. Then, we plot these lines on the chart using the plot function. Then, we are going to fill the gap between the lines with shaded colors. For this, we use the fill function. First, we color the gap between the high VWAP and close VWAP lines. We color the region near the high VWAP line in green color. And we color the region near the close VWAP line in blue color. Similarly, we color the gap between the close VWAP and low VWAP lines. We color the region near the close VWAP line in blue color. And we color the region near the low VWAP line in red color. Finally, we are going to color the candles. If a candle has closed above the high VWAP line, the color is green. If a candle has closed below the red VWAP line, the color is red. Otherwise, we color the candle white. Okay, now, let's add this indicator to the chart and check it. This is how the indicator looks like. We have 3 lines. Green one is the high VWAP. The blue one is the close VWAP. And the red one is the low VWAP. The region between these lines is color graded as per the line colors. We can see that the colors have a nice gradient style. Moreover, if a bar has closed above the high VWAP, it is green in color. If a bar has closed below the low VWAP, it is red in color. Otherwise, the bar is white in color. We can see that the indicator subtly shows the bullish and bearish movement on the chart. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. So that's it. That's how you can create T-VWAP indicator in TradingView Pine Script. Thanks for watching.